Hello, my name is Lapaeli.
Hola, me llamo Ioki.
Aloha, my name is Akele.
Xin chào, tôi tên là Hiếu Lê.
Hello, nama saya Wanapana Pakalakele Palake.
We in Maui!
Good morning, you guys. We're going on a helicopter ride today. What's up? Going on the helicopter.
Light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Alright, we just got off our helicopter ride. We didn't get coffee yet, so y'all know what we gotta do. Coffee.
Second most important order of the day, coffee. We got Rafa right here. We all packed up. We did some Tetris. We're ready to go to the next Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
We're about to leave this nice one to go to the next one.
Alright, you guys, is it really a trip with Audrey and Hate without a trip to Target? Alright, so this was the quickest trip to Target ever. Got 2 stickers because we're collecting stickers now to stick on our suitcases, and we got mints. That's it.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go eat lunch. Alright, we're at a food truck now.
We at Hina Ole Grill.
Alright, so our food is here.
Look at that shrimp. Oh. So I got the garlic shrimp with capers, some rice, salad.
Got some garlic shrimp. I think it's spicy.
Yeah.
It's really good.
By the way, first casualty of the trip.
About to have the greatest tan line.
Alright, just got done eating. We got to the beach.
I was like, we can't have this camera out.
The lady laying down right now, but it's great weather. Alright, you guys, just got done with playing at the beach. Got some crazy footage from Rafa swimming with the turtle. And now we're at the most famous shave ice in Maui. How do you say it?
Ululani.
Ululani. Ululani. Ooh, mommy. Stupid.
I do.
Alright, how's the shaved ice, everybody?
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
It's really good.
So far, like the 2 combinations
It's
are
so
pretty good.
good. Sunset Beach.
I got strawberry,
That might be perfect.
passion fruit, and calamansi.
I got guava, mango, and
Lychee.
lychee.
That's hard. It's kind of like a cream.
No,
good?
there's no doubt.
It is really
good.
To pop the holes.
Recommended.
All right, you guys, we just got to our new Airbnb. So let's go in. I forgot the
Welcome
passcode.
to my crib.
Oh, let's see.
Okay, so we're first bedroom. There's 2 beds here. There's a bathroom. There's a little sink right there. Rafa's in the bathroom.
Hello. Rafa, say hi. Hi. All right, moving on.
Kitchen. Living room / bedroom. And master bedroom. I mean. We have a tiny bathroom.
Yeah. The best part is, hold on. It's a ground floor, and over there is the pool. Look at that view.
It's open right there.
Oh, can't really see it, but yeah, the ocean's right there.
So cool.
One eternity later.
Okay, update. We are heading to. I forgot the name of the volcano. Does anybody know? Haleakala.
I'll come with you.
Okay. Anyways, we're going up to the volcano to see the sunset. It is currently 5:13 and the sun sets at 7. And it takes us an hour and a half to get there. So we'll see if we make it or not. And while we're on the road, we are snacking on this delicious snack.
It's so good.
It's really good.
Must try in Hawaii. Do they
Yes.
have it in stores? We
I
got this
don't
at
know.
Costco.
Yeah, it's from Costco. I don't know, but we're gonna have to go back to Costco and get something to bring back home. Okay, anyways, that's all the update I've got for you guys, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Above the clouds now. Look at this view. It's crazy.
So according to Rafa, at this elevation we can do what?
You could jump out of a plane, 10,000 feet.
And you can free
Do
fall for
some
1 minute?
skydiving and free fall for 1 minute.
Wow.
Let's try it.
Also, drink a fine beverage.
Okay, let's do it. Take a toast. So right now we are walking to the summit of the mountain to catch the sunset. It's right over there. We have 10 minutes left.
Guys, we're at the top. Look at the sky behind me. This is the cotton candy sky part. Now we're gonna turn you around, and that's the sunset part.
Alright, you guys, we are so tired, and so we're gonna get ready to go to bed so that tomorrow we can have an early start.
Yep.
So yeah.
Thank you for tagging along and for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. And last but not least, don't forget to keep winning at life. Bye.